Hey guys, welcome to Garden a Beautiful Life. So we all know that microgreens are on trend today. In this video, I would be telling about how to grow your own microgreens using a plastic bottle. So I've taken a plastic bottle. I'm using a waste Bisleri bottle. You can use any plastic bottle available at your house. The next thing you need is mung beans. I'm using mung beans to grow microgreens. You can use any other seed too, say methi or any other seed. I have soaked the mung beans in water for a day. Make sure you use a good quality of mung beans so that the microgreens come up good. Now I have taken the plastic bottle and made 6 to 7 holes. So the holes are made for the water to peep in and for the air required by the microgreens to grow. So I've used the plastic cutter to make holes in the bottle and my holes are not that even. The number of holes depends on the size of the bottle. Since I've taken a medium bottle, so 6 to 7 holes are fine. If you take a large bottle, then I think you need 10 to 12 holes in there. Once you're done, just transfer the mung beans into the bottle. So after transferring the mung beans into the bottle, just rinse the mung beans with the water. So after rinsing the mung beans, the water will peep out of the holes made by us in the bottle. So you have to make sure that you water the mung beans every day starting from the first day to the fifth day. So after that we have to cover the plastic bottle with the help of a poly bag. So here I have used a black poly cover and you can use any other color too. So it's not necessary that you use a black poly cover only. So you have to remember that you have to water the mung beans daily from the first day to the fifth day and never leave the mung beans dry, otherwise the microgreens will not grow and they will be ruined. And the second tip is you always have to keep the plastic bottle in the partial shade and not in the sun. So today is the fifth day and I think my microgreens are ready now. And I have kept it for like 5 days in the bottle and I have regularly watered the mung beans and I've regularly washed the mung beans through the holes of the mung beans. So it's ready now. Finally, I have taken out all the mung microgreens from the bottle and it's ready to eat. It looks quite yum. So it took only 5 days for me to grow this mung microgreens from the bottle without the soil, and I just had to give this little effort of watering it every day, and that's it. So I would also recommend you and advise you to grow these at home, which are loaded with lot of proteins. And do let me know if you like this method in my comment box. Please subscribe to my channel and I will be uploading a lot more DIYs and garden hacks. Thank you.